Okay, this is the second part of two-part series on installing Joomla. Last episode we installed WampServer. I didn't mention how you could check it to make sure everything installed properly, and I'm going to show you that real quick before I get into actually installing Joomla. Just go to localhost, and it'll actually bring it up to this page and shows WampServer, all that jazz. Okay, well, let's go ahead and close that just to wait and sure that it installed WampServer correctly. Alright, so for the second part, this is actually installing Joomla. Is to download Joomla, you have to go to joomla.org and get it from there. Alright, once you're here, easiest way I found to go, just go to download. And then just go ahead and hit English zip, and then go ahead and save it to where you'd like. In our case, we saved it to our desktop, and you just want to right click on it, extract all, and select browse. And what you want to do is you want to put it to wherever you installed WampServer. In our case, in my previous lesson, I did it and installed the C WAMP. And what you want to do is find the directory www in WAMP and create just go ahead and hit new folder and create a folder called test site. That's where we're going to install it. Go ahead and select test site, and should go. Just hit extract, and this may take a while depending on how fast your computer is. So as soon as it's done extracting, I'll be back. Alright, so it completed the extracting of Joomla. We're just going to go ahead and minimize that for a minute. I'm going to go back up here. I'm going to do localhost. Test site. Taking a minute here. This is actually going to take us to the Joomla web installation. Just go ahead and select English US. Go ahead and hit next. I always notice all these are green except the display error. I haven't really had any issues with that as of right now. I'll look into that probably later on. Go ahead and hit next. Our license agreement, just go ahead and next. For host name, just go ahead and put localhost. Your username is going to be root. This is for your MySQL. I believe when you install WAMP, it doesn't actually give you a password for MySQL, which you can go back in later and go ahead and set up. In this case, we're just going to name it Joomla. If you're looking to host multiple sites, probably want to look into this. Maybe I'll cover a tutorial later on that. Just go ahead and hit next. We're not going to worry anything with FTP configurations. I'm just going to go ahead and call it test site. Info at testsite.com. Obviously, you put whatever you want in there. Just go ahead and make a good password for yourself. And we're not going to install any sample data, but if you do want to see a lot of good information, you can install sample data, and it is really a lot of information. But I just want to start with a blank slate with Joomla. Go ahead and next. It's just asking if you want to make sure you don't want to install any samples. Go ahead and hit OK. Alright, so here what we want to do is we want to go back to our folder that we extracted Joomla to and delete the installation directory. Once it does that, we can go ahead and close that out or minimize it, and then you're just going to go ahead to site. Alright, and there's your basic Joomla site. That's the front end of it. Let's go ahead and make a new tab here. I'm just going to go to localhost test site. I'm just going to go with administrator. Now this is going to take you to the back end of your Joomla installation or Joomla site. Username is going to be admin, and whatever password you created earlier for you. Alright, so this is your back end right there. Basically, basic as you can get. That's yours. And later on I'll try to do a couple more tutorials on how to do stuff. But, other than that, you're ready to rock and roll with exploring Joomla. Thanks for watching.